Most backpackers either overbuy or underbuy their stove, spending too much on features they don't need or settling for a setup that just doesn't last. And this is where the Jetboil Flash comes in. But is it the right camp stove for your specific needs? I'm breaking down who should and who shouldn't choose Jetboil. I'm Matt. I lead wilderness adventure trips to epic places for refreshment and renewal. Grab my free download, The Best Camping Experience Gear Guide, for the very best high-quality outdoor clothing, gear, gadgets, and tools I own, use, and recommend you put in your pack. The link is below. The Jetboil Flash is an all-in-one cooking system designed for one thing, and that's boiling water fast. Unlike a standard canister stove where you have to pair the stove with a separate Cockpot, the Jetboil simplifies everything, simplifying the whole process into one compact, efficient system. Inside the cook cup is the fuel canister and the burner. The burner attaches to a fuel canister very quickly, and the cook cup attaches nicely to the ring on the burner. There is a rim on the burner that helps block wind, and the bottom of the cook cup has these flux coils that help with fuel efficiency and also to block the wind. The push start ignition is super simple. Just turn on the valve, press once, and you're lit up. This all-in-one cook system that includes the burner and the cook pot is great for 1 to 2 people. It is durable, it packs well, it works pretty well in the wind. And for so many backpackers who are just boiling water for coffee and oatmeal and soup and their freeze-dried food pouches, the Jetboil is a great choice. It is a smart choice. Don't listen to the pundits trying to throw shade on the Jetboil to get a few extra views on YouTube. The Jetboil is a bomber stove. For pure ease of use, this is one of the best stoves you can buy. The weight of the Jetboil Flash is 13.1 ounces. Yes, it's a little heavier than canister stoves, but remember, the cook pot is already built right in, so you don't have to buy an extra pot. The Jetboil Flash burns at 9,000 BTUs, and for 1 liter of water, the boil time is 3 minutes and 20 seconds. The Jetboil Flash takes 50 minutes to completely use up an 8-ounce canister of fuel when the fuel flow valve is wide open. I really like the rubber lid on the Jetboil. It stays on very securely. It also has a spout and a strainer. And I like how you press it on and it just keeps everything in really nicely. For this all-in-one cook system with a burner and your pot, it comes in at $129.95. If you value simplicity, speed, and efficiency, then Jetboil is a no-brainer for your backpacking adventures. But I get it, it's not for everyone. If you cook in the backcountry, if you're bringing ingredients and dishing up some gourmet meals, or you want a more compact, ultralight option, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe or the Soto Windmaster paired with an MSR Titan Cookpot is your best option. Check out my video review, The Best Backpacking Stove and Camping Pot Setup. I'll leave the link below. All right, that's my experience with the Jetboil Flash. I love Jetboil products. In fact, I have several Flashes, and I also carry a couple of the Jetboil Sumos with me when I have 7 to 9 participants on a Ravello adventure trip. The Jetboil family has a great line of very practical and useful products, including the ceramic cookpot and the ceramic frying pan. If you're looking for well-made, compact simplicity, and you're willing to carry just a little bit extra weight, then you cannot go wrong with Jetboil. Hey, I know you've got an opinion, so drop your experience in the comments below, and then check out these 2 videos for more high-quality outdoor gear and clothing reviews. And remember, Don't just buy great outdoor gear. Get out there and use it.